Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix microphone is not working in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 on your PC or in your laptop and you're facing the issue that your microphone is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go to your settings app, and in settings, go to Windows Update, and you just have to make sure that your Windows is up to date. You haven't any pending update. You can also try to check for some latest updates. Once I've done this, go to Home, and here you just have to go to the search option and simply search for troubleshoot setting. Just search for troubleshoot. Is it troubleshoot settings? Click on it and then click on other troubleshooter. You just have to look for audio. So it might be audio, or sometimes you might get microphone option here. If you're unable to find microphone option, so you can select audio here and just click on run. So it will run a troubleshooter to check issues or errors with your microphone or with your speaker. So once you have done, it will tell you about your issue, if there is any adapter issue or anything else. So you can easily fix that from there. Or if it's still not working, or if it's still not working for you, if it's not working for any specific service or for any specific app, so just go to privacy and security option here, and you just have to look for microphone here. So the microphone, click on it, and here you will see the app list. So you just have to look for the specific app with which you're facing the issue. So let's say I'm facing the issue with my WhatsApp app. So you can easily enable this from here. If you might see that it's not enabled, so your WhatsApp app or your specific app is unable to use your microphone. So you just have to enable this from here. Once you have enabled, your issue will be fixed and your microphone will be enabled for the specific app. So in this way, you can easily fix if your microphone is not working in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.